The meaning of a books. One. A dream of finding a book in the library. If you are a student, your academic performance will go up and become a scholarship student. If you are an inventor or researcher, you will develop a new product by researching some data. 2. Dream of reading a book in the reading room. You will explore deep learning and truth with all your might. 3. A dream of reading a book without making a sound. An unexpected good opportunity arises or you get help from a noble person. 4. A dream to read books aloud. The announcement will be made in a large crowd. 5. A dream of borrowing a book. You will study learning and truth or discover new materials. 6. A dream of reading in prison. You will gain expertise and invent and create. 7. A dream to record while reading a book. There will be great gains and rights, and joy will come from rising status. 8. Dream of reading a book in the mountains. You will learn deep learning and truth and reach a high level. 9. A dream to buy a book. You'll actually buy a book, or you'll get groundbreaking information from an unexpected place. 10. The dream of organizing the library's books. This means that business will be very prosperous. 11. A dream of reading a textbook. You will explore learning and truth and gain it with professional knowledge. 12. A dream with a pair of books in a cave. You will discover national treasures or study old studies. 13. A dream of eating a book or paper. You will gain a wide reputation and benefit from your studies. 14. A dream of reading comic books. With the help of someone, things go in the right direction. 15. A dream of getting wet or throwing a book. You will have to rebel against your teacher or give up your studies. 16. A dream where precious books are damaged. What has been done will stop in the middle and come to naught. 17. A dream where a book is absorbed on the desk. It's a dream of failure if you take a certificate or entrance exam. Have difficulty in everything one does. 18. A dream of losing a school bag in class. The product will be stolen and the project that is working on will fail. 19. A dream without letters in a book. Disabilities and hardships will arise and you will suffer losses and difficulties. 20. A dream of stealing a book. Hope will be fulfilled and honor and wealth will be created. If you liked this video, please press subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.